Hi everyone, and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. Today we're going to make some edible wands both in a sweet and savory variety. Let's start with our sweet ones. For this we'll need a plate, pretzel sticks, miniature peanut butter cups, and some candy melts and a small Ziploc or disposable piping bag. We'll start by unwrapping the peanut butter cups and placing them upside down on the plate. Next, we'll take out some pretzel sticks and start adding them to the peanut butter cups. You'll want to gently push them into the center of the peanut butter cups. Next, we'll melt some candy melts in our bag in the microwave by heating on defrost for 1 minute, and if not melted, heat in 30-second increments until melted. Once melted, you'll snip a corner off the bag and then add candy melts around the base of the pretzel. And these are all done. Super easy. Now onto our savory brooms, which are a little more complicated. What we need to make these are a cutting board, string cheese, a celery stalk, a knife, and optionally some kitchen shears. Before using the knife or shears, make sure you have an adult's permission or an adult there to help you. The first thing we want to do is unwrap the string cheese and cut into thirds. Then we'll take a knife and cut a slit into the top of the cheese. Then you'll take the shears and cut the opposite end into strips approximately halfway up. Once that's done, you'll insert a pretzel stick into the slit you cut at the top. Next, we want to take the knife and peel off some celery strings or threads. You'll take one celery string and tie it in a knot around the top of the string cheese for decor. Repeat these steps until you've made as many cheese brooms as you would like. Now mine are done. Which variety would you choose, sweet or savory? Tell us below in the comments.